Hello everyone and welcome back another video of Crypto Guy. Is Bitcoin is ready to go 23,000 or Bitcoin is coming back and touching 14,000? Ethereum 2.0 phase 0 goes live but Ethereum drops. Bitcoin peaks at record high level close to $20,000. It's in BBC News. So let's go and have some technical analysis about BTC and Ethereum as well. Okay, so everybody knows that Bitcoin is all-time high and almost hit its 20,000 level from the previous 2017 bull run. And here we have one-day Bitcoin BTC chart, and right now you can see that Bitcoin is trading about 19,000, and its performance is green. Everything is green. 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Wherever you have bought, you are in green. And here you can see that RSI was getting top and now it was rejected and came back. So it was perfectly good until almost 19,920, and after that there was a big sell orders from big whales. About 20,000 people are selling, trying to get profit, because whenever it's touched 20,000 everybody is in profit, so people are trying to get profit, and that's why there was a big dip. But good thing is about that dip was also bought very quickly. And here you can see that we have some red candles, but we have came back about 18,300 and 1,000 candles have been bought back. This is very bullish for Bitcoin. If we go and see on 4 hour chart, like you can see that Bitcoin has topped out at 19,000 something, 19,900, and then it came back perfectly. There was a scam week here and people have been liquidated. The people who have been using a lot of leverage, definitely they was being wrecked. That's what I always say, to use stop loss. It's for your own good and you can never be wrecked. And this was the best entry point for Bitcoin as well, for our 20 weekly moving average, because whenever you go up you always come and hit it, but whenever you go down from 20 weekly it start getting bearish. But this dip was bought very quickly and it came back, so it was perfect bounce from here. Here you can see RSI was top, now it's getting normal, so now we are cooling down for another pump until 23. So first we have to break 20,000 US dollar, and after that the next stop will be 23,000 US dollar. If we go and check on 3 hour chart, we are sitting exactly on the spot line, and if we break this, definitely we are coming down. But this is very bullish that people are buying all the dips. Buy the dips, sell the resistance if you want some profit. And if we go on 1 day chart, I already told that there is a possibility that we can easily come and touch it 17,700. And on weekly chart you can see that we are very bullish. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 green candles, and then we have a red hammer candle which is can showing that is a strong resistance on 20,000, because people wanted to sell their Bitcoin, want to get some profit out of it. But Bitcoin bulls are pushing on the top, and if we come, we can easily come and hit 13,500. But if we go up, then the next point will be 20,000. We have to settle down, we have to sit on 20,000, make it as a support, and the next will be 23,000. There's one more interesting thing I'd like to show you guys. Like if you go on 1 month chart, and if you have a little bit zoom out, here you can see that we have never been in a bearish trend, we have never been in bearish market. We are in 1 month, we are always in bullish. Whenever we come here we have a little bit bullish, bearish, and after that we have been on bullish again. We check that one 20 weekly moving average, and we go a little bit bearish, and then we are just pumping up like crazy. Like even on monthly chart, worst case scenario, which I never think it will come, about 11,000, and I am definitely sure about that Bitcoin is not going under 10,000 ever again. So the bearish target at the moment will be like 18,000, which I think we already picked up from here. That was like 18,000 exactly, and next stop will be 20,000, and we have to settle it down, and then we are refueling for 23,000 US dollar. So here we have Ethereum US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see that Ethereum is trading at the moment 593 US dollar on 1 day chart. The bearish target will be 533, and the bullish target will be 600, and then 640, and after that it would be 800, I will say. But if we go on 4 hour chart, here you can see that we have perfectly dipped and sitting on 4 hour 20 weekly moving average, which was 586. That was a good rebound, but if we cannot able to defend this level, we will go falling back down. But it doesn't look like, because we're in a bull run. Here you can see technical analysis is showing buy, performance is very buy. So we have to, bulls have to defend this level 586, and then we have to break 600, 610, 620, and then we have to make that resistance as a support, and definitely then we can pump even more. Okay, so here we have some crypto news, and Bitcoin is in officially in BBC News. This is the hype I was talking about. This is what's gonna happen when Bitcoin is going over 20,000, and there's gonna be a FOMO. Everybody want to be on this ship, or the organization or the big companies will come and try to buy Bitcoin. But you guys, you are the one who have to hold Bitcoin until it will be very rich and you are having some Lambos. So Bitcoin peaks at record high close to 20,000. Bitcoin has traded its highest value to date, reaching 19,920 on different exchanges. There was different, and according to data provider on CoinDex, and it took the virtual currency nearly 3 years to top its previous record when it peaked about 137 lower. So we are almost there. People are thinking about it different. Definitely we are going up, and this is the combo what I'm talking about, that now we are, Bitcoin is in BBC News, and definitely the other all bigger news media companies are also covering this one. Another price, Bitcoin price hit on time high as crypto market matures, and now we just have to wait and see that Bitcoin is refueling for 23,000, and from there it will go up. Ethereum 2.0 phase 0 goes live. The staking has been able, and they have enough Ethereum stake to go make it 2.0 real thing. And if you want, you can also go on Binance and stake it over there. I think it's going to start from 12th of December, and they are going to pay double of it. And you can use my referral link as well for Binance if you want to trade and stake and save something. So but Bitcoin and Ethereum prices are going down, but this is a temporary thing. I mean, we are trying to establish our base here on 600. 600 is a very good level, and definitely from there it will go up. And 1000, 1400 was the last peak, and 1000 is nothing for Ethereum. We just have to wait and see. I'm telling to everybody that this Christmas time, this New Year time is very critical for crypto market, for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we have to give a closer look to it. CEO of world largest asset manager says Bitcoin can possibly evolve into global asset. This is very bullish, guys. This is the bullish news I've ever seen. The head of world largest asset manager has provided somewhat bullish take on the world first cryptocurrency. This is the bullish level what I'm telling you, that Bitcoin is taking, and everybody is getting the FOMO. And when there is a company FOMO, when there is a market FOMO, Bitcoin is definitely going up. We just have to hold this 20,000. Once we have to break this all-time high, people was denying when it was breaking 19,000. People were denying when it was taking 1,000, and now people are denying when it's all-time even high, and people are thinking that it will go down. No, guys, it will definitely go up. Just wait for 1 year, and definitely you're gonna thank me and everyone who have helped you in bought your first Bitcoin. Bitcoin is go for up. For this chart, you can never go and see that this is in bear. It's always in a bullish territory. So the news like this, CEO of the world largest and BBC News is indicating that bull run has started. We are in bull run, and it's time to be break all-time high, and after that go to even more higher. And for this year I was expecting 20,000, which Bitcoin has already been done, but we still have 1 month, we still have some push to go, and there would be some days will come that 1,000 candles, 2,000 candles are very normal in near future. So I think that's all for today. Until that, take care, be safe, and bye bye.